welcome to some summer days of my life. So right now I'm at the other house and I'm gonna go to a bonfire in like a little bit with like a bunch of my friends, and I'm really excited. But we're also picking up Selma, and I'll show you guys what I'm wearing as well. Okay, so I straightened my hair, and then I don't really have anywhere to put my phone because I'm just gonna my top is from Aerie. This bracelet is from Ranjan. This bracelet's from Ranjan. These earrings, I don't know, I got them for my birthday. And then this is from Claire's. So there's the little fit check. So I'm just gonna like put on a sweatshirt and kind of hang around my room for a little bit, and then pick up Selma and go over there in a few hours. Guys, I have to like quickly run through and like give you guys, why does it look like I have an eye bracelet? Say hi.
Oh my gosh, the room looks so good.
That's so fake. Hey guys, we're at the bonfire. Wait. Hey vlog. Hey. Hi. No.
Wait, it's kind of eating. It's sliding.
Okay, model, like I see you. Guys, me and Selma. Yeah? And we have a selection. We did some good stuff. Yes, we did. We're in Altered State right now. And so much stuff. Okay, guys, we're stopping for some food, and then we're gonna go to like Hollister and stuff. But my phone's about to die.
And Urban.
Yeah, but my phone's about to die, so I probably won't film anything. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're at Hollister. Look at all this stuff. Literally so much stuff.
How are you?
Okay, guys, so the braid is in, which means it's like time for bed basically. But I'm gonna go downstairs and have the ice cream that I got and lots of water. I don't know why I'm holding this deodorant. I'm sorry. And then I'm probably gonna go to bed, but I don't know if I'm gonna film anything tomorrow because I'm not really doing anything. But the next day I'm going to Six Flags with 3 of my friends, and it's gonna be really fun, so I'll film that for sure. But also I get my schedule out on Tuesday, so like talk to you guys about that, and I'll rant to see if it's like good or bad, you know? Say hi. We went on Viper and
then this other ride that was not fun.
It made me throw up almost.
And now we're going on the Raging Bull. You can watch.
Guys, we finished Raging Bull.
Hey!
It was looking fun.
We're about to go on the Sky Striker.
I'm not excited. Guys, I'm literally in the middle of editing this and I saw this clip and I need to tell you guys how the Sky Striker went because it was so bad. It's like, I'll like insert a picture because of how scary it was, because I literally passed out on it and I almost threw up afterwards because it like spins around super fast and like, you know, and I opened my eyes and I thought we were gonna turn over the whole thing, and I got so scared that I passed out 3 seconds. It was not fun. So I do not recommend, do not go on it, okay? Guys, we went on Sky Striker and I passed out and I like almost threw up and died.
And now we're going on like this river ride and we're gonna get soaking wet.
But it's chill.
Because we need to let our stomachs settle.
And then we get our schedules out in like an hour and a half. I'm so scared. Guys,
Well, I don't know.
soaking wet. And it's like cold outside too. So like we are cold and wet and miserable. Okay guys, we just went on X-Flight and Raging Bull again and Viper. And we're going on American Eagle now, and then I don't know what, I'm tired. The Flash. Also, we got our schedules and mine is so good.
We only have one class together.
Yeah. But mine is so good. I'm very excited. Hey guys, so I'm on like a trail behind my house and behind the new house. And this is gonna be like my new walking spot. because it's like private and it's so perfect and I love it. It's so beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. Look at the sunset. But basically, I'm gonna go back and kind of work on my room a little bit, but I'm gonna like get on ready with you guys and like kind of like get ready for bed with you guys, because yeah.
I'm doing you personally as well.
I love this thing. It gets me so far.
Okay, so I'm gonna go hop in the shower and take a really quick shower, and then I'm gonna come back and like do my other stuff, I guess. Actually, I need to take off my makeup first. Sorry, my hair looks like insane right now, so you know that, but I'm gonna take off my makeup and then I'll have to do like all my bathroom stuff. I have to go school supply shopping soon because I have like so much to do. I like love school supply shopping and I need to go, but my mom hates it for some reason and she keeps avoiding it, but we need to go at some point. I don't know. We're doing it so late this year, but whatever. School starts in literally a week. I hate saying those words, but it's the truth. Out of the shower and I have to go to bed soon because I'm tired and I feel like it. So, yeah, but hello. My neck hurts so bad. Oh, it scared me. Okay, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then I think that's like basically I'm all I need to go brush my teeth and then I'm gonna put in my contacts, but I'm gonna get my bed ready to sleep in. I don't think my pillowcase is gonna fit my pillow. Wait. Oh no, it might be a little bit too big. It fits. I don't know where my heated blanket is. I'm so excited. Okay guys, the rubber bands are in, which means it's like officially time for bed. So, thanks for watching the video. I don't know what else to say, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you in the next one. And my rubber band just broke. That's awesome, isn't it?